Hi, hello guys, welcome back to HackIsOn tutorials. Okay, in this video I'll be teaching you all about Zenmap. Okay, so this video is only for beginners, and don't skip the video. Okay, so I'll be saying lots of things to you, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel for more videos, more amazing videos. Okay, so still there are lots of videos to in the upcoming days I will be posting. Okay, so let's get into the chapter. So in the application, you go to the information gathering, and there you can find a Zenmap at the last. Okay, so you can open it from there, or you can open through your terminal. Okay, so type Zenmap and hit enter. Okay, so by this two method you can open Zenmap. So okay, what is Zenmap? Zenmap is nothing but the GUI version of that is graphical user interface version of Nmap. Okay, I think you all know about Nmap, and if you are a beginner, you don't know Nmap. It is a tool. Nmap is a tool which is used for network penetration testing. Okay, so and it will be the working process of Nmap will be done in terminal, whereas is in Zenmap you will be doing it in a software or a tool. Okay, so this tool is the GUI version of Nmap, where everything will be pre-configured, and whereas in Nmap you have to type these commands in the terminal, and after that only you can do the scanning. Okay, so let me do a scan. Let me do a testing now. Okay, 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 server. Okay, let me find the domain. Okay, okay, I'll find the domain of I'll find the IP address of this site first of all. Okay, so and then only basically Nmap and Zenmap will do only with the IP address. Okay, so it's not responding. Okay, let's move on to the another website. Okay, that is my website. So I have got the IP address. Okay, 31. So okay, so I have got the IP address of my site. Okay, so sorry. Okay, where is the map? Here it is. Okay, first of all you have to find the IP address of a website with the nslookup command. Okay, so nslookup command will give you the IP address of a particular website, and if you got this error like this errors, so you can go with some private websites. Okay, so where you can find this IP address. So after getting the IP address, you paste it here. So and click on intent scan. Automatically it will be in intent scan, and if you want to do a specific scan like this, okay, so you want to scan only the UDP ports, and if you want to scan only the TCP ports, and you want to do a intent scan without ping, like ping scan, quick scan plus, and quick scan trace route, like that. If you want to do any other options, you can go, but whereas in intent scan it will do all the things, all the below things it will do in intent scan, but if you want a particular scan, then you can choose this. Okay, so and click on scan. So it will take some 10 minutes. Okay, so maximum it is it will take up to 10 minutes depending upon your site. Okay, so I have given my site, it's not that much popular. okay, I mean it's not that much working right now, okay, so I am not using this site right now, so it's under maintenance, so we will be doing that. Okay, it's discovered these ports are open in this particular site, so let's wait till the scan completes. Okay, I won't skip the video so that if I get any error in the middle, so I can solve it, right? So I won't skip. Okay, now it's doing a stealth scanning, okay, synchronizing and doing a stealth scanning, so it's trying to detect the OS. Okay, so I'll explain each and everything which is what is going on there, like that. Okay, so it is initiating the DNS resolutions. Okay, it is doing now, it is doing the scripting. Okay, while you doing a penetration testing, like for a big sites, you have to know the NSE scripts. Okay, so this is a basic video of Nmap, so I'll be explaining you about all the things in the future videos. Okay, so there are lots of things in NSE, so you have to wait for that. Okay, so in the upcoming days I'll be posting videos regarding that. So it has initiated and completed the trace route, and probably maximum, it depends upon the site, maximum it's 10 minutes and the minimum is 5 minutes. Okay, so let's wait. Yes, it is done now. Okay, so the scan has completed and it has shown what are all the ports are open. Okay, so these are all the ports are open in this particular website, and it is using Cloudflare. Okay, the port number and what service is running and what version it is, like that. It is scanning. Okay, so it has scanned like that. So port number 80443 and 8080 and 84443 are open for this. Okay, so no OS match has been detected, so it doesn't detected any operating system. Okay, it is detected some trace route. Okay, and you can it has saved the scan report in this particular file, so you can get it from there, like that. It is telling you. Okay, so we have completed the scan, and if somewhat this website is using Cloudflare, so it's little bit difficult to hack. Okay, so whereas if you are using, like if you scan some other private sites, if it shows any other rather than Cloudflare, you can with the version number, if any version you got, like telnet is a service, sorry, Nginx. Okay, so like it has lots of things, so if you got those things, you can try with Google, like you can get some exploits, try to get some exploits with for that particular version, and you can try it out. Okay, so if you have any doubts regarding this, you can contact me at any time. The Facebook link is in the description box, and if you are new user, please subscribe to our channel for more videos, and if you have any doubts, please comment below so that I can help you. Thank you guys, thanks for watching and keep supporting us.